That's all I'm gonna tell you. I think fucking zero.
Let's go.
Fuck it, let's do it.
Fuck it, let's do it. The famous last 3 words. All right, 0 to 100 on the mystery box. What's in the mystery box? How many pairs of shoes? 4 pairs of shoes?
4 pairs.
4 pairs of shoes, all used?
Yes.
No box?
Boxes. All boxes.
All boxes?
Yes. Whip boxes.
Oh, this is gonna be terrible. I already know. Bro, your man's is not good at this. You do not bring him anywhere where you're trying to.
Get ready to hear mine. Get ready for his.
That's heads.
I know.
And that's tails.
I know that.
You ready? In the air.
Heads.
All right, you got it.
Bro, $100. All right, go ahead. Show me the mystery box. In Rocket Farms.
Sir, specialize in flour.
Okay, not bad. Not bad.
I'm gonna let you see one more time.
Not bad. All right. Okay. Not bad. This is rep box, right? Rep box. No, rep box. Rep box. Rep box. Rep box. Rep box. I know my shit. These are Marina Blues. These are Royal Toes. Reimagine. Reimagine. Marina Blue. 2 different shoes.
I got them like this. Yeah, that's actually wild. Damn. That's actually wild.
Okay, all right. So that's 2. If I could have won this for $0, I would have been happy. $100 isn't terrible.
Oh, okay. All right, he's next. Let's go.
Okay. Last but not least.
Yeah, you might be sure to take all those off.
Not bad, bro. Hey, W Mans. For $100?
Right, it wasn't shit, right? Come on.
$300 mystery box.
$300 mystery box, really?
5 pairs.
5 pairs, $300 mystery box.
2 don't have boxes, but the 3 have everything.
Let me ask 3 questions. And you want to do a 300 mystery box. You want me to give you 300? You just have to say yes or no. Men's? Used?
I wore.
It's a yes or no question. Used?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.